You won't believe what ProgressivePay Bank brings to the table in 2026. Most people think of banks as just places to deposit and withdraw money, but ProgressivePay is designed to make managing and growing your finances effortless. The bank offers checking and savings accounts with competitive rates and minimal fees. Its app lets you set multiple financial goals like saving for a home, paying off loans, or building an emergency fund, and automatically allocates funds toward each goal based on your income and spending habits. Over time, these automated contributions add up more than most people expect. ProgressivePay also provides spending insights and predictive alerts. It monitors your account activity, upcoming bills, and even recurring subscriptions, letting you know when adjustments are needed to avoid overdraft fees or missed payments. The dashboard is intuitive, showing a clear overview of your cash flow, upcoming expenses, and progress toward your financial goals. Security is top-notch, with multi-factor authentication, encryption, and fraud monitoring. Your funds remain fully insured, and customer support is available through chat, phone, or email. Limitations: ProgressivePay focuses on banking and savings management, so it doesn't offer investment options or complex wealth management tools. But for anyone seeking automation, smart alerts, and clear financial insights, it's a solid choice. So, is ProgressivePay Bank worth it in 2026? Definitely, if you want a secure, smart, and proactive banking experience that actively helps you manage and grow your money. Subscribe for more reviews on the best financial tools to improve your finances.